Welcome to English Buds. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting and learning English from listening.
What's wrong?
I'm hungry and I'm thirsty too.
Okay. What's wrong?
I'm hungry and I'm thirsty too.
Okay.
I'm smarter than the average bear! I'm smarter than the average bear!
Are you okay? Are you okay?
You are amazing. You are amazing.
She's perfect. She's perfect.
It's too small to see. It's too small to see.
Anna, your life is in danger. Anna, your life is in...
Is this your homework, Larry? Is this your homework, Larry?
What is wrong with me? Ow! What is wrong with me? Ow!
Is that a joke? Tell me you're joking. Is that a joke? Tell me you're joking.
Hi. How you doing? The name's Flynn Rider. How's your day going? Hi. How you doing? The name's Flynn Rider. How's your day going? Huh?
Thank you for watching. Make sure you like this video. Leave a comment and tell me what words are missing.